내신 수능 1등급 도약.
Shadowing.
Unit 1.
How to make friends.
Being a lone wolf can seem appealing. It gives you plenty of free time to read, write, and explore your interests. However, having friends is also important. They provide companionship, make us feel good, and help us grow. If you're looking to make new friends, here are some simple tips.
Spend time with people.
If you're always alone, you won't have the opportunity to make new friends. Try to get out of the house and spend time around people.
Join a group or club.
Find a group or club that shares your interests. This will increase the likelihood of meeting people with similar interests, making it easier to connect with others.
Talk to people.
Spending time around people won't necessarily lead to friendships. You need to make an effort to talk to them. Don't be too picky. Try to talk to different people and see who you connect with.
Make small talk.
When you're talking to your friends or potential friends, keep the conversation light and positive. Nobody wants to be around someone who's always negative or brings the mood down. Also, listen carefully to what others are saying, as it shows that you care about them and are interested in what they have to say.
Share a meal.
Sharing a meal is a great way to get to know someone. You can talk and learn more about each other over a meal, and maybe even exchange phone numbers for future hangouts.
Be reliable.
If you make plans with someone, show up on time. If you can't make it, let them know as soon as possible. Keeping your promises is crucial for building trust and maintaining a healthy relationship.
Choose good friends.
Not everyone you meet will be a good friend. Choose people who are supportive, honest, and bring out the best in you. Be selective about who you spend your time with, and cherish the good friends you find along the way. Remember, making friends takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Don't be discouraged if it takes a while to find the right people. Keep an open mind and stay positive.